Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I made chocolate chip cookie bars. These are so delicious, so good. Let's get started. Alright, get a stand mixer or a hand mixer and put in 1 cup or 250 grams of softened butter. Serve it off to soften to room temperature. Add 1 cup of packed brown sugar. About a third of a cup to half a cup of white sugar. Now just cream it together until it's well combined and light and fluffy. So it's nice, white and fluffy. Now add about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then you add 2 eggs, but we're just gonna do add 2 eggs. And then mix it together until it's just combined. Now after you push it out roll free, get 3 cups of plain flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it together and just add a spoon to the mixture. So it's just combined. Now add 1 cup of chocolate chips. Just mix that in till it's just combined. Then get a baking tray, give it a good glaze. Put the cookie dough straight in it. Now you flatten it. Like spread out. Now if you want, you can put some more chocolate chips on top. Oh no, preheat your oven to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit and put them in there for like 15 to 20 minutes. Oh, beautiful. Now just wait till you hear for about 20 minutes or so before you come into pieces and start eating. And this is really good. Ho ho ho. Can't wait to try this. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for chocolate chip cookie bars. As you can see, these are so good. So smells fine. Give it a bite. Best recipe ever. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you next Wednesday for a new recipe. Peace out.